Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. And firstly I will show you where touch area is located, and touch areas you can find at the back side of each earbud. So right here you have it. Now let me play some song, and if you press one time at the touch area on your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. So press one time, I just pause the song, press again, and I should play a song. Maybe let's try again. Yeah, as you can see, I just play a song. It's because I listen to music in browser, so... now we have double press, and if you double press at your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2. Here we go. If you double press at your left earbud, you will play previous track. And as you can see, it works. Now I will show you press and hold and then triple press. So if you press and hold at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. Now look at this widget, and as you can see, I increase it. To lower it, you need to press and hold at your left earbud. And again, you can check at this widget that I lowered the volume, so it also works. Then we have triple press, and if you triple tap at your left or right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS right here, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, then you will call Gemini. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, Siri awake, so it works. Then I want to show you how to customize it. So if you don't like how it works, you can go to the TOZO app. Oh, and I missed to tell you that you can also answer the call by single press at your left or right earbud, and you can finish or reject the call by press and hold at your left or right earbud. Now, to customize it, we need to go to the settings in the application at the right top, and right here we have touch controls. So right here you can customize it and change it. You cannot change press and hold because we have only volume control on the left and right earbud, but another one you can set in another way. So let's say if you want to call your assistant with a single press the right earbud, you just tap on it and select to activate voice assistant. If you don't like what you made, you just click restore and you have it by default for the left and right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!